If your YouTube watch time is dropping and your first instinct is to upload more videos, this video is for you because that instinct feels productive, it feels responsible, and it feels like the right thing to do. But for most beginner creators, especially if you're over 40, uploading more is not the solution. In fact, it's often the thing that makes everything harder. Let's get into it. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Rob, and I help people over 40 turn YouTube into a system that generates business leads and revenue. Let's be honest, uploading more videos feels like taking control. You think, if I show up more, YouTube will reward me. If I stay consistent, the numbers will just fix themselves. If I just push a little harder, this will turn around. And that mindset makes sense. Most of us grew up believing more effort equals better results. But YouTube doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like a traditional job. It doesn't reward effort. It rewards viewer behavior, and that is a critical difference. Now, consistency is important, but not in the way most people think. Consistency does not mean uploading constantly every day or forcing content when maybe you're feeling too tired to create it or racing the algorithm. Real consistency means clear topics, predictable value, and videos that deliver what the title promises. If you upload more videos that don't hold attention, you don't fix watch time. You end up diluting it. So if somebody's advising you to create more, to upload more, well, that is especially dangerous for creators over 40 because we just don't have endless energy. We're balancing work, family, responsibilities, and real life. So when we hear just upload more, we try to push through, and that's how burnout happens. Not because YouTube is impossible, but because the strategy was wrong. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. One well-focused video that people watch most of the way through is worth far more than 5 rushed uploads that people click away from. Watch time grows when viewers feel understood quickly and the problem is clear and the solution feels relevant. That's why clarity beats volume every single time. So here's a reframe that changes it all. Instead of asking, how often should I upload? Ask, what video would help my viewer the most right now? That question changes your entire approach. It slows you down in a good way, and it helps you create videos that keep working for you long after you hit publish. And that is how watch time compounds. So what do you do instead of uploading more? Here's a much healthier plan. Step 1 is pick one problem your audience is really struggling with. Step 2 is create a video that explains it clearly and calmly. And step 3 is improve the retention for that video, not volume overall. And that could mean things like a stronger opening or a clearer title or removing unnecessary sections. You really don't need more videos. You need better focus. And if you're over 40, which if you're watching this channel, you just might be, you don't win by moving faster. You win by being clearer, calmer, and more intentional. Look, YouTube is a long game, and the creators who last are not the ones who uploaded the most. They're the ones who burned out the least. Hey, if this video gave you permission to slow down and take a breath, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't watched the earlier videos in this series about watch time, the 365-day rule, why daily checking ends up hurting you, I'll link those next. You don't need to do more. You just need to do the right things consistently. Keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.